Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the CIVIVI Mini Praxis folding pocket knife. This knife comes packaged very nicely. Let me show you. Needless to say, I was very impressed with the packaging. They give you a lot of information in here, including a cleaning cloth, and as you can see, it comes in a well-protected case. Let me give you some close-ups of the knife. I consider this knife to be an excellent choice for everyday carry, EDC. It has a nice G10 handle, and G10 handles are generally very rugged. This knife has a very smooth opening with the flipper tag. The blade itself is black stonewashed D2 steel. It has a liner lock. Just push the liner lock aside and easily close the blade. Another thing that I liked was that CIVIVI included a complete product technical information page. Here's a closer look at the liner lock. As you can see it right there, simply push that aside to close the blade. The blade is sharp and ready to go when you open it. I like the length of this knife. It's easy to conceal if necessary. The overall length is 6.79 inches. The closed length of this knife is 3.81 inches. I really like the CIVIVI Mini Praxis. I think you will too. So if you're looking at this knife, I hope you found my video helpful.